Hey there, quick note before we dive in. What you're watching right now is a lesson from one of my courses that I've decided to release completely for free here on YouTube so you don't have to pay a dime. So instead of asking you to buy my course, if you want to show your appreciation, here's a couple of things that you can do. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel. These small actions tell YouTube to share my content with more people, which is a huge help. Also, feel free to check out my recommended equipment links in the description below. If you do purchase equipment from these links, I do get a small commission at no extra cost to you whatsoever. Or if you want to, you can leave me a super thanks or even just hit play on one of my playlists. I know it sounds silly, but if you just hit play on one of my playlists and let it play in the background, even if you're not paying attention, it tells YouTube, hey, people are watching these videos. I'm going to push it out to more people. So even if you just want to do that, I would love it. I would appreciate it so much. And then lastly, if you're looking for more personalized help, I do offer private coaching that you can find in the description of this video. Either way, I really appreciate you, whether you choose to do one of these things or not. Just by simply watching this video, it means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Now, let's get to the lesson. All right, so how do we export audio inside TwistedWave? Well, there's actually like two ways to do it, but let's do it the easy way first, which is just double click and highlight your entire audio. You just want to export all of it, right? So you're just going to go to File, and then you're going to go to Export Selection. And then I have something on my computer that's labeled AAVO. That's Adobe Audition Voiceover. I use Adobe Audition primarily, but I have all of my audio just go to that folder, so I know exactly where it goes. So I would just click open in that folder, and I would say, let's just do TwistedWave. Oh, of course, come on now. You can do it. I have faith in you. TwistedWave, let's just do take one, right? And then, so now here's something to keep in mind. When it comes to labeling your file, most likely casting is going to have a very, very particular way that they want you to label that file. Follow those directions to a T. That is very important. It shows that you can follow directions and that you are directable, so that if you do book a job, they can direct you in the session. If you mess this up, if you do not follow their directions, they're going to look at this as, oh, that person can't take direction. Therefore, you're less likely to be booked for a job. So make sure you pay attention to how they want you to label your file. I just did this for ease, but they're going to have a way they want you to. Now, save type as. MP3 is going to be what you're going to save your audio as for auditions. 99.9% of the time for auditions, you're going to save it as an MP3 and you're going to send it as an MP3. However, if you book a job, you're going to save it as a WAV file. So as you can see here, we have WAV audio. Okay, that's a WAV file. So, but again, let's just pretend like this is an audition. I'm just going to go back to MP3 and we're just going to hit save, and then boom. It just exported that to the folder on my computer. But there's also another thing you could do. If you're like, you know what, I only want to export my take two, right? Or take one, whatever it is. Just highlight the take one or take two and make sure to give yourself enough room at the beginning, about a second or so, and also at the end. And then you're going to go up to File and then do the same exact thing. You're going to Export Selection. And because you said export selection, this is your selection. You've just highlighted what you wanted to export. So it's only going to export this. It's going to leave this part that's not highlighted totally out of the equation altogether. But that's how you export audio inside TwistedWave. I'll see you in the next video.